Formative education is premised upon an integrative belief in education, bringing together the intellectual, the psychological, the social, the character, ethical, and the spiritual dimensions of a young person's formation into a larger whole.
Liberal arts is at the very heart of a formative education. We want people to have a full spectrum of knowledge. We want them to be able to engage life on a whole variety of different subjects. And so we don't want students just to learn facts and data. What we want is a professor to engage their pupil, their student, in a way to say, do you buy this? Does this resonate with you? Let's engage with the subject in a conversational way so you appropriate it in such a fashion that you can use it.
I define student formation as a journey, but a three-part journey. So social formation, spiritual formation, and academic formation. Whether it be retreats, whether it be service programs, whether it be mentorship programs, are so integral to not only helping students understand themselves, but understanding how they can take their time here at Boston College and pay it forward in the future.
Our research shows that the young people who ultimately are the most fulfilled and joyful, they have purposes that are much more extrinsic. They have to do with finding work that is meaningful, that is purposeful, and that contributes to the world beyond themselves. And that's one of the reasons I'm so excited that my own daughter chose to come to BC, because these are the values of the Jesuit mission here.
What's become increasingly obvious to us is that our commitment to formative education gives our young people, as they move on beyond Boston College, a leg up in developing a range of talents, competencies, and skills that employers, that the larger world is looking for. Creativity and eloquence, both on the page and in public presentation. A way in which students are able to interact with each other on teams, both on campus, but with diverse teams from around the Boston area. Over time, the hope is that through reflection, through retreat experiences, in a range of ways on and off campus, through service learning, that students are able to begin to knit together the various discrete parts of their education into a larger whole. The goal of formative education, as we believe here at Boston College, is to educate young women and men in the richness of the Jesuit Catholic tradition, to bring all faculty, staff, students, alumni, parents into an ongoing conversation about what is the good life? What is it we want for our young people? How can those young people go out and set the world on fire?